This is loose wife excitedly motorcycle, no caring child, good in the month of Ramzan last make an effort to look out for each other. Check if anyone struggling, if they have enough food for iftari and Sairi, and if their families' expectations for Eid are being met, everyone is self respectful and when not experiences their needs openly try to understand what I need and fulfill those needed. This act will be not only bring reward but also strengthen our bond of friendship. I know that things might seem difficult right now, but please never forget how loved you are when you feel like falling apart. Now that I will be here to put you back together when you want to caring. Remember that's always he ready to dry your tears. You are mine so much to me and will be for your side to supporting you through everything. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for. There have been so many times when I simply blown up away by your resilience determinations. When you set your mind on something, you do not give me up when the odds are against you, and I will be always here to cheer you on. Whatever you need, all you have do as ask, and I am will there. It is okay if you want carry. It's okay you want to scream and shout. United your voice gives out sometimes. The ordeal is unfair, and we are left to just wondering how on earth we are supposed to keep moving forward, but never thank for even 1 second that you are alone. This is here for you through every high and low. You do not have to be afraid of being left to deal with things on you, even because I will be back. Sure, you will always have a hand to hold. You are my strength. You are my not only the sails that steers and ship, but you are also waves below that carry me. Without you, I would cease to have backbone as you, the integrity foundation holding me up. I could never think of day when you are not with me. I imagine if that day came, would become weak, I would crumble into a coward. But together we are strong, we are unstoppable. That is why I love you the way say pictures or warmth 1,000 words. But when I look at your picture, I can only say their words. I love you, my every happy today. My love, after the fasting, will break it. We fun together, eating the food. So, my love, how I wish you are here to celebrate and grab some food with my every. But do not worry, you all be here before next Ramzan. I promise you that my love. I love you so much, my beautiful